Still having trouble finding the newest tech on store shelves? Congress aims to provide some relief as it recently cleared the CHIPS Act, potentially bringing $52 billion in funding to US semiconductor manufacturers. We'll take a look at what this bill entails as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic forced millions of people to rethink how they lived, worked, and played. And because of shelter-in-place conditions, many people leaned heavily into technology to remain productive and connected. In turn, products like laptops, PCs, gaming consoles, webcams, and other technology quickly became difficult to find. Why is that, you may ask? Nearly every piece of technology produced today relies on semiconductors, better known to many as chips. Unfortunately, chip manufacturers have found it nearly impossible to keep up with an increase in customer demand, ultimately leading to some serious supply chain issues. In an effort to alleviate these issues, Congress recently passed the CHIPS and Science Act to improve semiconductor production and stimulate innovation. Of the $280 billion that the act entails, $52 billion will directly impact US chip manufacturers. Now, for anyone that's kept an eye on the chip shortage over the last couple of years, you may have heard that Intel was planning to build a $20 billion facility in Ohio to help meet consumer demand, but unfortunately news broke last week that Intel was forced to halt the groundbreaking of their new factory until the CHIP Act cleared Congress. While it looks like Intel will soon have the funds it needs once President Biden officially signs the bill, Intel's issue brings up an interesting point. For years, technology developers have outsourced chip production to countries like China, which offer lower manufacturing and shipping costs. The goal of the CHIP Act is to not only improve chip production, but also offer an opportunity to build products domestically and employ American workers. So while it looks like many consumers may continue to face supply chain issues for some time, it also looks like relief is on the horizon. That said, if you're a business needing to purchase hundreds of laptops and PCs right now, there is a workaround. By partnering with an IT vendor such as Rocket IT, businesses are given exclusive access to enterprise-level hardware at bulk pricing. To learn more about Rocket IT's services, click the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.